Hey guys, another Sunday YouTube report. So we're here on the channel dashboard. New achievement, 10,000 views and 10 more subscribers. Cool. Let's check our latest video performance. It was Black Country Communion's Red Sun reaction video. It was posted 3 days ago on a Thursday. Very few views, right? So we're at 16 views. View duration is terrible as well. So let's check this video's analytics. It's really flopping at this point, right? It has been shown on browse features and search, but not performing well. If we go to the overall analytics for the channel, we do that filter for the last 365 days to see how we're doing against our goal of monetizing the channel. We will see that we are at over 10,000 views, which is cool. Almost 400 watch time hours, so almost 10% of the goal, and 24 subscribers, which is about 5% of our goal of 1,000. Okay, so reasons is this best performing video that we have about Guitar Olympics is, not growing as much anymore. It's still responsible for most of the watch time hours, but it has the growth has decreased a bit. So that's one thing. And also the last few reaction videos that I have posted, they did not perform really well. So if you look here at the content, right, we have one more scheduled for tomorrow, but if we have a look here at the content, we see 16 views, 8 views, 161, 57. So not great. There are a few that are a bit better, like 378, 224, but a lot of them are kind of flopping below 100 views. And then we have these two guys at 2,000 and at almost 1,500 views, pulling the watch time, as well as this one coming up next at almost 1,000 views. One thing here that begs a change of strategy is all of these reaction videos, they're mostly related to recent rock music releases, and the only release that kind of worked out well in terms of watch time hours was Deep Purple, right? So big band, big brand name. The other ones, even though they're known artists and bands like Mr. Big, Richie Kotzen, Black Country Communion, maybe in terms of reaction videos they're a lot more niche, so they're not getting as much traction. So one thing that I'm going to update in terms of my reaction video strategy is to react to videos that already perform well in this niche of reaction videos, right? So that's one change that I'm gonna make going into the future. And also I'm gonna test a few other formats that I'm working on. So that's basically it. Progress still, right? Still progress. We're at 10% of our watch time goal, pretty much, and 5% of our subscriber goal. So that is cool. YouTube is not a short-term game, right? So if we look past 90 days, it's pretty much when we started to get more consistent in terms of long form. So long form video, we started over here. So we have barely 2 months, not even 2 full months, since we pivoted strategy more towards long form videos. So I would say things are going kind of as expected so far, right? And we need this feedback from the platform and from the viewers in order to understand what is working, what is not, to be able to do these changes and go after the growth that we are looking for. So that's pretty much it. This is the report for today, and see you guys next time. Cheers.